Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I am going to do a blue on this six-sided wooden board, wooden cradle, I guess you'd call it. And I've got some really pretty colors today. But before I get started, I'm glad you came by. And if you like my videos and you're new here, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I do a new video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Comment below. I usually try to answer any questions you have. And it all helps my channel grow. So thanks for joining me. And if you look in the description under my video, I have lots of discount codes for the Sheleeart Bloom technique, 15% off. The Lowly Leffy website, 10%. Meaden Art, they sell air guns and paints. And paint pour store. So there's a few in there. So have a look. And let's get started with my bloom. So today's colors are, I've got some really pretty turquoise. This is golden teal and color shift aqua flash. So I think I'll put this one down first. Let me just do this, spread this out. This is Glidden Premium that I just put down, which I'm almost out of. I know a lot of people use Glidden Essentials as a thinner one than this. I might just buy one next time and give it a try. So let's put this down. And this is opaque, so I like to put my opaques on the top and the bottom. This one is Athenia by this little piggy. It's like a goldy pinky color. It's very pretty. And then I have, actually I'm gonna put down, this is a little bit of phthalo turquoise. I'm gonna put a little bit just for some contrast. Got my favorite colors in my Lowly Leffy bottles. Okay, so next I'm going to put down, this is this little piggy fairy floss. And then I've got some Deco Art Lavender Frost. And then on the top is a really light pink Persian Rose by Amsterdam. I'm just going to put a little bit of that. Okay. Amsterdam Oxide Black and Australian Floetrol. Lift this up a little bit higher. button gets stuck in. I can't shut it off. So I'll just unplug it. That's really pretty. And using that little attachment gave me a little bit more pedally look, I guess, what you call it. Okay. Finally, skewer. I think I'm gonna just do the outside. So I don't really know what's gonna stay on. It's nice when it all moves like that. I love it. Do a little bit more. Oh, I think a lot of it's going to come off, but let's see what happens. I do want it to come down the sides, oh, beautiful, beautiful. Push it that way a little bit. If you have it closer to one side, more will come that way, go off that way. Going to wipe the sides so I don't get splashed. That's very pretty. Moving a little bit. I'm going to push it that way now. I just hope this doesn't slide off. You have to be careful with these mats. Sometimes if you got too much paint under there, I've had one slide off before. see if it's moving, because I can touch up the sides. It's pretty good. There, look how pretty that is. Alright, that's it. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Thanks for coming by. Hi everybody, here's my dried 6-sided cradle board. It's wooden. Dried really good. It's very pretty colors. Take you in for a close-up. There you go. Thanks for watching.